The question of the purpose of life is a profound and subjective one, and different individuals and belief systems may provide different answers. In Islam, the purpose of life is generally understood in a spiritual and religious context. According to Islamic beliefs, the primary purpose of human life is to worship and serve Allah, God. This involves following the teachings of Islam as outlined in the Quran, the Holy Book of Islam, and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Muslims believe that life on earth is a test, and individuals will be held accountable for their actions on the Day of Judgment. The Quran emphasizes the concept of submission to the will of Allah, and through righteous living and adherence to Islamic principles, Muslims seek to attain closeness to Allah and achieve success in the afterlife. Acts of worship, ethical conduct, and compassion toward others are seen as integral components of fulfilling one's purpose in life, according to Islamic teachings. It's important to note that interpretations of the purpose of life may vary among individuals within the Muslim community, just as they do in other religious and philosophical traditions. Different scholars and religious authorities may offer nuanced perspectives on the specific details of the purpose of life in Islam.